Webull versus M1 Finance. Which one is better? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed comparison to help you choose between Webull and M1 Finance based on trading goals, experience level, account features, and investment strategies. So let's get started. We'll go over their core purposes, user experience features, asset supports, fees, and ultimately help you figure out which one suits your investing goals best. Let's kick things off with what each app is really designed for. Webull is tailored for active hands on traders. It's ideal for people who want full control over their trades, dive deep into technical analysis, and make fast decisions during the trading day. Whether you're trading stocks, ETFs, options, or futures, Webull offers a robust environment with real time data, advanced charts, and a variety of order types. M1 Finance, on the other hand, is geared towards long term passive investors instead of manually trading. M1 uses a unique Pi system to help you build a custom portfolio or choose the expert designed ones, and then automate the investing and rebalancing process. If you're someone who prefers a set it and forget it approach, M1 is designed for you. In terms of usability, Webull is packed with features. The desktop, mobile, and browser versions are highly customizable and packed with advanced tools such as indicators, drawing tools, and complex order types. That said, this level of detail can feel overwhelming for complete beginners. There's definitely a learning curve. M1 Finance takes the opposite approach. The interface is clean, minimal, and beginner friendly. Creating your portfolio is as simple as dragging slices into a pie and assigning percentages. However, this simplicity also means fewer advanced tools, no real time codes, no technical analysis charts, but it excels at automated investing. Another big difference is how trades are executed. With Webull, you can place trades at any time the market is open, including pre market and after hours. It supports market, limit stop loss, and even complex conditional orders, which is perfect for those who want precise execution and timing. M1 Finance works very differently. Trades only happen during scheduled trade windows, typically once per day for regular users and twice for M1 Plus members. This is not meant for short term or intra-day trading, but rather encourages a disciplined long term investing mindset. Webull offers a broad range of financial instruments, US listed stocks and ETFs, including fractional shares, equity and index options, futures contracts, with more being added over time. Cryptocurrencies via the Webull Pay app, currently powered by Coinbase, limited access to bond ETFs but no direct mutual fund trading. M1 Finance supports stocks and ETFs with full fractional share investing, cryptocurrency investing through its crypto pies, allowing you to allocate a portion of your portfolio to coins. However, it doesn't offer options, futures, bonds, or mutual funds as standalone investment. Both platforms offer $0 commissions on stocks and ETFs. Webull charges no commissions on options, and there's no per contract fee for equity options, even though some index options have small fees. Futures trading comes with flat rate fees per contract. M1 Finance doesn't support options or futures, so there are no fees there by default. For crypto trades, both apps generally apply a 1% spread that's built into buy or sell price rather than a flat fee. So, which one should you pick? Go with Webull if you're someone who likes active trading and wants direct execution control, needs real time data, customizable charts, and fast paced order types, is interested in trading options, futures, or crypto in a more advanced trading environment. Choose M1 Finance if you want a passive, automated investing experience. Prefer building a diversified portfolio with ease using the Pi system, like the idea of automated rebalancing, recurring deposits, and long term financial planning. So don't care about day trading or complex trade setups. So in summary, Webull is ideal for hands-on technical traders, while M1 Finance is perfect for passive investors looking to grow their wealth over time without micromanaging. So that wraps up this comparison. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next video.